In this video, I will teach you guys the exact blueprint I've used to take my editing business to a full-time income that allows me to work my own hours, be financially free, and have fun in the process. Before we hop into that, however, I'll take this time to introduce myself. My name is Colin. I'm a professional video editor and content strategist who does this full-time. I've generated my clients 20 million plus views and work with some very large channels in the gaming space. You may recognize some of these guys. They're all pretty awesome. If you're here for a quick and easy way to get rich, this video is not for you. However, if you are someone who's willing to put in hours of work every day to turn your passion into a full-time income and join the top 1% of financially free editors, here's a basic blueprint that will start you in the right direction. And as time goes on, I will make more and more detailed videos that reveal everything I know about business, mindset, and of course, editing. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please do subscribe and drop me a follow on Twitter, linked below. Or don't. That doesn't really matter to me. As long as I can provide you some value, that's enough for me. But enough yapping from me, let's get into it. All right, so let's dive into the first blueprint, finding your niche. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your entire editing business. Here's how to do it. First, you need to identify your passion. Take some time to reflect on what type of content you love editing the most. Is it gaming videos like mine, vlogs, tutorials, or something else? If you're unsure of how to find your passion, try looking at the content you enjoy engaging with in your spare time. That exact question is how I got my start in editing gaming videos, and I think it'll take you a long way. Having your own work intertwined with your passion will drive your motivation and creativity. I can promise that. The next step is research market demand. Once you've pinpointed your passion, research the market demand for that type of content. Are there enough potential clients in this niche? Is there room for growth? That is really important. You do not want to be editing for a niche that gets 10 views a week. Next, analyze competitors. Look at other editors and businesses in your niche. What are they doing well? Where are the gaps and opportunities for improvement? This analysis will help you differentiate yourself and carve out your own space in the market. The next is something very important. I call it USP. Your USP stands for unique selling propositions. What sets you apart from other editors in your niche? Whether it's your style, expertise, or ability to edit quickly. Clearly define what makes you the go-to editor for your target audience. If you don't stand out in any category, why would anyone want to hire you? And don't worry if you don't stand out in all three, almost no editor does. By finding your right niche, you'll be able to focus your efforts, attract the right clients, and position yourself as an expert in your field. So let's move on to the next step. The next step is building your brand. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to help you build your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo or name. It's the perception people have of you and your business. Here's how to create a strong brand. Define your brand identity. Start by defining your brand's values, mission, and personality. What do people think of and feel when they interact with your brand? Next, create a memorable logo and visuals. Investing in creating a professional logo and visual assets that reflect your brand identity, these visuals will help you stand out and leave a lasting impression on your clients. I swear, if I see one more AI-generated picture, develop consistent branding across all channels. Whether it's your website, social media profiles, or marketing materials, ensure that your brand is consistent across all channels. This consistency builds trust and credibility with your audience. I'm guessing the majority of you watching this recognize me from Twitter, doing the exact same thing over on my Twitter, growing my personal brand over there, and bringing you all here to gain more knowledge. Next, craft a compelling message. Your brand messaging should clearly communicate who you are, what you do, and how you can help clients, and why you should be picked over your competitors. Use language that resonates with your target audience and showcases your unique value proposition. By building a strong brand, you'll establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche and attract clients who resonate with your vision and values. Now, let's move on. Next, we have marketing and finding clients. With your niche now identified and your personal brand established, it's time to focus on marketing and finding clients. Here are some strategies to help you attract clients and grow your editing business. I highly recommend you showcase your best work in a professional portfolio that highlights your skills, expertise, and style. This portfolio will serve as a powerful tool for attracting personal clients and demonstrating your value. There's a lot of videos here on YouTube about how to create a portfolio from scratch, so I won't be diving into this today. However, if that's something you'd like to hear from me, then drop a comment below. Next, network with industry professionals. Building relationships with influencers, content creators, and potential clients can open doors to many new opportunities. This is a step that I will be taking this year for the first time. I will be attending VidCon this summer and would love to speak to any of you who will also be attending. Next, you're going to want to utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to showcase your work. Engage with your audience and connect with potential clients. Consistently share valuable content and interact with others in your niche to expand your reach. I promise you won't regret it. Next, we have offering free resources or consultations. Provide free resources such as editing tips or tutorials to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients. Additionally, offering free consultations can help you understand clients' needs and showcase the value you can provide. Giving free feedback, even if minimal, shows your potential clients that you're not just trying to drain their bank accounts, rather you're genuinely invested in helping them grow. By implementing these marketing strategies, you'll increase your visibility free, attract clients, and ultimately grow your editing business. Now, onto the final step. Let's talk about scaling your business. This is where 99% of video editors are absolutely clueless. Months ago, I was making 1/3 of what I do today, and that is because I didn't know where to put my focus. And that's okay. Not a lot of people do. I'm going to be 100% real with you and tell you now, this is where the real work comes in. There is no seamless method to 2x, 3x, or even 5x your revenue. Rather, it's about fine-tuning your process and rinse and repeating. The first 1K month is probably the hardest for most editors, but once you're there, you'll be able to scale to 10K, potentially higher if you work day in and day out. Here's everything that's helped me. 1. Streamline your process. Identify inefficiencies in your workflow and streamline your process to improve productivity and efficiency. Investing in tools and software that can help remove automated tasks and free up more time for creative work. As your business grows, consider outsourcing tasks that seem to take up too much of your time, whether it's administrative tasks, marketing, or editing assistance. Outsourcing can help you focus on high-value activities and scale more effectively. I know it can be scary to pay someone thousands of dollars, but if they're gonna make you 3x that, are you even really spending anything at all? Lastly, the most impactful thing for me, investing in continuous learning. I spend thousands every month paying those who are further along on their journeys than I am. I know it can be depleting to watch your bank account drop before your eyes, but if you actually consume what these geniuses and successful editors and entrepreneurs have to offer, you can easily make back your investment 5x. If any of you are interested in a private consulting call, please DM me on Twitter or Discord. This is only for those who are extremely serious about bringing your editing to a full-time income and are willing to learn and do whatever it takes to bring your goals from being a daydream to a reality. I hope this video brought you some value, and I hope to see you again in next week's video. I will be uploading every Friday from now on and can't wait to see what you all have to say. And hopefully I'll be able to hop on call with you, yes you, and share everything I know with you. And until then, stay safe, drink some water, and good luck grinding.